Y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept form. You're expected to write these equations in your algebra class, and we are being given 2 points that a line goes through. So how do we take these 2 points that a line goes through and create the slope as well as the y-intercept when we're not given one? Notice we did not get 0 something. Sometimes they'll give you 0 something, and that's automatically your b value because it's where it crosses the y-axis. In this case, we don't have that. So how do we go about writing a slope-intercept form equation? Let's start by finding the slope. How do we find the slope from 2 points? We can use the slope formula. Slope formula states y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will give me my slope. So I'm going to put numbers in for all of those locations. I'm putting empty parentheses for each part, and then I just plug my information in. This is my first x and y. This is my second x and y. So we'll put 2's on those, 1's on these. So what is my y2? My y2 is a 3. So we're taking 3 and subtracting y1, which is an 8. And then down on the bottom, x2 minus x1. So x2 is a 9 minus x1, which is a 6. And this is going to give me the number that goes in for m because m is the slope. B is our y-intercept. We'll find that in just a second. So 3 minus 8 gives me -5. 9 minus 6 is +3. So we now have a slope of -5/3. So we're going to say y equals -5/3 x plus b. The problem is I have a y, an x, and a b. So I can't figure out what b is until x and y are numbers. So I need to change y to a number, change x to a number. Where am I supposed to get that information? You could either take it from this point or from this point. I like this point more just looking at what I'm dealing with. I can tell I'm going to get nice numbers here. If I put an 8 in for y, put a 6 in for x plus b, now we can solve for b. -5/3 times 6 is -30/3 equals 8 plus b. -30/3 is just -10. Equals 8. Let's add 10 to cancel it on this side. Add 10 to 8 gives me 18. And looky, b is isolated. So now we know what b is, and we had already found what m was. So we have the m and the b, which are the 2 missing parts to our equation. So we're going to finish by saying y equals -5/3 x, and then attach your b of +18. This is the equation of a line that would go through 0.68 as well as 0.93. Hopefully this makes sense. This is a skill you're going to be asked to do a lot in math. Now keep in mind, it's not always going to be 2 points given like this. We can give you a table of values. But if I give you a table of values, could you do the exact same steps you just saw me do? Of course you can. 6.8, 9.3. Instead of doing your slope formula, you can just do your change lines. We went down 5. Up 3, there's your -5/3, plug it into the m, work it out to find the b, all the same style, same steps essentially, just looking at it in a table as opposed to 2 points given to you. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.